acrylic paints, or this I got the new flash acrylic paints. These are called multi-surface paints. Or these Montemart satin paints or Camel artistic acrylic colors. So you can use any kind of acrylic paints for this art. These are the things I use as tool for making my dot art. These stylus, any pencil, pens, toothpick, earbud. Next comes is the mixing of the paints. I use these tiny bottles to mix my paints because acrylic colors, if you leave it in the palette, it dries off very quickly. So I just take my paint in these bottles and it can be saved in this bottle for many months. So these paints can be mixed with water, but if you mix with any pouring medium, the effect comes very glossy and nice. So I always use this pouring medium. Any pouring medium is good if you mix with this. Just mix it up. So this soft peak, it should have a soft peak. We should always keep a kitchen towel or some cloth to wipe our tools because acrylic paints dry off very fast. So now it's time to start practicing dots. So I would always recommend to take some rough cardboard and start using your dots first. Just have to lightly touch the tool to the surface. If you do it hardly, the dot will not come proper. Just touch little bit. different sizes. Called walking the dot. You don't have to take the paint every time. You just take once the paint and then just keep walking. And this is how you can create a petal. Sizes. In the next video, we'll make a small mandala.